Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to edit audio on CapCut for PC. CapCut is not only great for editing visuals, but also offers a variety of tools for editing audio, allowing you to enhance your project's sound quality and add custom effects. Let's start by opening CapCut on your PC. Once you're on the main screen, click on New Project and select the video or audio clip you want to work with. Then click Add to bring it into your timeline. If you haven't added an audio file yet, you can either import your own audio by clicking on Media and selecting Import, or you can use CapCut's built-in library of sounds. Once your audio clip is in the timeline, select it by clicking directly on the audio layer. Now you'll see several audio editing tools available above the timeline. Let's start with some basic edits. If you want to trim the audio, hover over the beginning or end of the audio clip in the timeline until you see a double arrow icon. Drag this to adjust where the audio starts or ends. This helps if you only want a specific part of the audio. To split the audio, move the playhead to the exact point where you want to cut the audio. Then, click on the Split button above the timeline. This will divide the audio into separate sections so you can delete, move, or add effects to individual parts of the clip. Now, let's look at adjusting the volume. With the audio clip selected, you'll see a volume option. Click on it, then move the slider up or down to increase or decrease the audio volume. This is especially useful if your audio is too loud or too soft compared to the video. If you want to make the audio fade in or out, click on the Fade option. This lets you set a fade-in effect at the beginning of the audio or a fade-out effect at the end. Simply adjust the fade slider to control how gradually the audio fades. CapCut also has an equalizer feature to enhance the audio quality. Click on EQ to open the equalizer settings. Here, you can choose from preset options like bass boost, vocal, or treble boost to adjust the sound. Pick the setting that fits best with your project. If you're working with voiceovers, you may also want to remove background noise. CapCut includes a noise reduction feature that can help clean up the audio. To do this, select the audio clip and click on Noise Reduction. Turn it on, and CapCut will help minimize background sounds to make the main audio clearer. Once you're happy with the audio edits, play through the timeline to ensure everything sounds right. You can make further adjustments if needed. When everything sounds good, go ahead and export the project to save your changes. If this tutorial helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. It supports the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks for watching.